guy's half brindle face. He's also a male. Out of JJ and Mr. Lucky. And his little peepers are already cracked. You can see them slightly open. He's hungry. I think he weighed 34 ounces. It's beautiful too.